Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your MAC address for Wi-Fi. A MAC address is a unique 12-character identifier for your device's network interface, often shown as 6 pairs of hexadecimal digits. Think of it as your device's unique fingerprint on a local network. This information is crucial for various networking tasks, such as setting up network filters or troubleshooting connectivity issues. We'll cover the steps for common operating systems, making it easy for you to locate this important detail. For Windows users, finding your MAC address is straightforward. First, open the command prompt by searching for CMD in your taskbar. Once open, type ipconfig/all and press enter. This command will display a detailed list of your network adapters. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Wireless LAN Adapter Wi-Fi. Under this heading, you will see Physical Address, which is your unique MAC address for that Wi-Fi connection. It's typically a 12-digit hexadecimal number. On a Mac, you can easily find your Wi-Fi MAC address through System Settings. Begin by clicking the Apple menu in the top left corner and selecting System Settings or System Preferences. Next, click on Network in the sidebar and then choose Wi-Fi from the list of connections. Click the Details button next to your active Wi-Fi network. Finally, navigate to the Hardware tab and you'll see your MAC address listed there, ready for you to use. Finding your MAC address on mobile devices is also quite simple. For iOS, open Settings, tap General and then About. You'll find Wi-Fi address listed there. Android users should go to Settings, then About Phone, and finally Status Information. Look for Wi-Fi MAC address. Remember, some newer devices might use a private Wi-Fi address by default for privacy reasons, which changes periodically. You can usually disable this in your Wi-Fi network settings if a static MAC is needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.